Lake Wyvenho is around 90 kilometres northwest of Brisbane, Queensland in Australia. Lake Wyvenho was created by the construction of the Wivenhoe Dam. The lake provides water for about 50% of southeast Queensland, including Brisbane and Ipswich, and is the largest lake in southern Queensland. It's great for swimming, kayaking and fishing, and the perfect location for camping at the Lake Wivenhoe Campground. On arrival, we checked in and took a drive around the Captain Logan Campground. This campsite has the glamping option with the tents already set up, ready to go. There's also plenty of space for your own tents and a few unpowered caravan spots. You can't quite see it in the footage, but there are a few kangaroos laying around all over the grounds, blending in with the scenery. We then did the drive around the lake, which was about 2.5 k's, to the Lumley Hill Campground. They have plenty of campsites right on the waterfront at Lumley Hill, but we booked late, so ended up on sites 75, 76 and 77. We were a bit disappointed at first when we saw a few of the great powered sites we missed out on the waterfront, but we ended up really happy with our non-powered sites, which were very conveniently located near the amenities and had amazing open sky views. And our favourite part, after you finish setting up your vans and you get to sit down for a drink around the camp. Tony's demonstrating how you lift it up with ease. With ease, right?
Wyvenho kebab.
That was pretty good. This not-so-little fella decided he was going to slither his way into our camp and towards our vans. He had no chance of sneaking up on us. The birds were onto him. Dad was on the case and casually picked him up and sent him back into the bush and on his way. Each site has a designated concrete fire pit area and you must use a fire pit or brazier. You're not allowed to collect firewood from the grounds, but you can purchase firewood from the office, and they also have braziers for hire. We came prepared with the good old washing machine drum fire pit. Now this is what I call living your best life. The amenities block has flushing toilets and hot showers, which are on a timer. So you select your cubicle and you'll have 5 minutes of hot water to enjoy your shower. I'll be honest, after seeing that snake, these rafters look like the perfect place for snakes to hang out. So 5 minutes was plenty of time for me to get in and get out. The day use area at Lake Wivenho in the Lumley Hill Campground is huge. Lots of open space and grass, shaded tables, barbecues. Perfect place for relaxing and enjoying nature. We really enjoyed our stay at the Lumley Hill Campground at Lake Wyvenho. If you enjoyed our video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more of our adventures. The parents are already asking where our next place is that we're going to visit, so if you've got any recommendations, send them through. We'd love to hear about them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.